guys, Editor Grace here. I'm currently editing the Disney vlog, but I just want to say a couple things before you watch the vlog too, so you understand some of the backstory. So basically, it was raining a lot during my trip, especially the first 2 days of the park. Day 3 and day 4, the park wasn't that bad, luckily, so I was grateful for that. But that was a thing. So if I didn't get as much content as I wanted, so that's why it may be like a 12 through 15 minute little vlog. I don't know for sure now. Also, excuse my voice, my throat hurts, probably from yelling out in all the rides and all, so my throat hurts. Another thing is that I am in a scooter filming most of my stuff. I don't want to get further into detail with that, but I needed the scooter for health reasons and such, so I'm glad I had that. And that this trip, I'm so grateful I got to go on, because my friends who also know me and stuff, they help pay for me to come with them, so I'm super grateful to them that I'm able to go with them again. This is that was my third time going with them to Disney, so I'm super grateful, and I had a good time and everything. So yeah, I just want to clarify a couple things before you watch the video. And again, I'm sorry for my voice. I might have to do a couple of editor clips things, so yeah. Look at this hotel, it looks so cool. Oh my god. Wow, it looks amazing. It's so beautiful. I love you. This is DeAndre, everyone, just to let you know. This hotel room is so pretty, honestly. Like, it's so pretty. I love, like, the room. Like, here's a little bit of it. We have a little kitchenette. We have the room. It's a little messy, but Tanisha and DeAndre are out there taking pictures. So now we are going to be going around the hotel, probably gonna get something to eat, just look around the hotel. This is just our first night here. Tomorrow we'll be hitting the parks for the first day, so I'm excited for that. So I might show some stuff going around the hotel, who knows, but I'm excited for this Disney vlog. Morning, everyone. So today is the first day of parks. We're going to Animal Kingdom and Epcot as well. We have to get a breakfast too soon, so we're gonna do that. We're just getting ready right now, but yeah, so come along with us. I'll do little parts of the video, but I'm excited for the vlogs and excited for you to see my trip, so let's go. So we are now waiting for the bus to Animal Kingdom. A little slow start today, but I'm excited to get to the Animal Kingdom finally and see what the day has for us. Look how beautiful! So we are currently at the Navi River Passage Ride. We're waiting in line, so that's fun. But this place is beautiful. Pandora is beautiful. We found a turtle. Look at it! Oh my gosh! Epcot now. Hey. Hi. Hey, what up? Okay, that was test track. But
a great ride.
That is true. Oh, I don't know.
To see us in the boat.
Yeah, but we're almost done at Epcot and everything. Did you guys enjoy the day?
Yeah. Yeah.
Day 1 of 4. I don't know what the next clip will be, so yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is day 2 of the parks. Today we're going to Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios today. So I'm super excited for that. Sorry I did a little vlog yesterday, but we were super tired. Also, there was a lot of rain during the day in both parks, so it was like on and off and everything. Probably looks the same for today, but it was so hard to film, so I couldn't really do that. But I tried to film what I could and show you some scenes and some scene reviews and a little bit of rides or where I was eating and everything. We also found a turtle yesterday in Animal Kingdom, which was so weird, but it was cool. But yeah, so again, like I said, I'm going to Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios today. So let's get this day started. Okay, let's go. Oh, I can't see me.
We've got a little bit more dock over here. Yeah, and then, we'll hang out here. Let you. Yes, now I do like to point it out on my cruises because you see a lot of people will take it for granted. But personally, I think it rocks. It is one of our older attractions after all. Here, this is Bertha's Indian Elephant Pool Party. She's the one right up there underneath the waterfall. Yeah. It's her birthday today, and she chose this pool party specifically. And, we're all really glad she did because you see, she's been a little smelly this year. Yeah. And instead of showering her with gifts, we just wanted to gift her with a shower, so it all worked out.
So today is day 3 of the parks. We're going to Hollywood Studios today, so I'm super excited for that. Sorry if you can't really hear me well, there's a bus. I'm waiting for the bus to Hollywood Studios, but I'm excited, so let's go.
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks! Hello! How you doing? Hey, listen, Liam. Journey, let's hear about that. The park, they're amazing. What could possibly go wrong?
Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
You're all watching so beautifully. Let's go now!
We just stopped for a minute, and next we're going on alien swirling saucers, I think. That's it. Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, just a little update.
I eat like cruise to transport. What?
We are back at the hotel for a little bit. We're just taking a little bit of a rest. I changed my shirt from the Hollywood Studios one to this Pizza Planet one. So yeah, I thought, might as well give you guys a hotel room tour, because I haven't done that yet. Ignore the room, kind of, because it's a little messy, but let me show you the room. This is when you walk into the room. There's a little kitchenette area. This is a closet with like ironing stuff. Here is the sinks, the bathroom, and here's a couch that turns into a bed. I sleep there. And a door to another room. This is the tables that would go there. Dresser with mirror and such. Their bed. This little table area. And you come out here to the balcony. And we have a little view of the pool. That was the room, basically. Not much to it. So, but there's not much to it, but it's a pretty room. But ignore the mess. Okay. We are heading back to Hollywood Studios for dinner and such. So, yeah, that's just a little update.
Hey, partners! Welcome to the practice game! Who's ready? Like those times! Woo!
end of the vlog. Again, it's editor Grace here, but I had so much fun. I love Disney so much, as you guys know, and I'm so thankful I got to go again with them. But I hope I can go again in the future and vlog again, because I like vlogging my trip when I was there. So and if I do go back, let me know if you guys want more vlogs. Also, let me know if you guys want more like Disney content in general. Like, what do you guys want to see on my channel? Because I'm super excited, and I hope you guys love this vlog. I really worked hard on it, and I had fun filming it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!